Look, I've made a fortune. I want to use it for some good. I need a lawyer to help me navigate. I like you. You get me. So, in or out?
I'm very sorry.
It's okay.
Well, that's a very big question. I'm obviously going to have to go talk to my bull in a china shop. I'll be right back.
Sure. Talk it over. It's a major life decision.
Okay, be honest. Have you ever tried to impress someone, but instead you knocked over a table, spilled your coffee, and maybe just wanted to cry a little bit? Yeah, been there. Hi, I'm Fatima. I help you learn English from TV shows. And today's theme from Modern Family is perfect for those messy, awkward moments when life just doesn't go smoothly. We'll break down the English so you can actually use it with friends, at work, or just trying to survive Monday. Let's jump in. Bull in a china shop. Mitchell is at a fancy beach house party talking to a potential client about a serious legal opportunity. A huge moment in his career. But Cam, he is being totally unaware of the situation's importance. Slurping drinks, walking around clumsily, and knocking things over right in the middle of the conversation. As Cam causes yet another loud crash, Mitchell says quietly, almost to himself, "Bull in a china shop." This idiom paints a funny but clear image. A giant bull, wild and clumsy, inside a tiny, delicate porcelain shop. It's a disaster waiting to happen. So, we use this phrase when someone is being loud, clumsy, disruptive, or awkward, especially in a fragile or sensitive setting. Let's hear some real-life examples. My little brother at weddings, total bull in a china shop. I brought my ex to my family dinner. Ugh, I was the bull in a china shop. Don't let Mike handle the decorations. He's like a bull in a china shop. This phrase is casual and humorous. Great for joking with friends or describing those chaotic, embarrassing moments. You'll hear it in many sitcoms like Modern Family, Friends, The Office, and more. Usually when someone's causing a scene without meaning to.
Talk about a bull in a china shop.
Bull in a china shop, actually.
Wow. Bull in a china shop?
Get out, bull in china shop! Out of my house!
No bull in a china shop.
Yeah.
Two bulls in a china shop.
We all go through life like bulls in a china shop.
Okay, we've learned the phrase, we've seen the drama, we've laughed with Cam and Mitch. Now it's your turn. So last week, my boss gave me this urgent project at 4:59 p.m. on a Friday. I think he just wanted to get his boss off his back. Then my coworker starts giving me all this motivational advice like, maybe this pressure is good. It will light a fire under you. Cool, except I was already stressed and knocking over coffee cups, papers, everything. Like a total bull in a china shop. Ugh, I need a new job. Yeah. Your turn. Fill in the blanks using the 3 phrases from today's lesson. Drop your version in the comments. I was trying to cook dinner for my girlfriend's parents, but everything went wrong. I dropped a glass, overcooked the pasta, and spilled sauce everywhere. I looked like a total. And of course, my roommate wouldn't stop texting me about rent. Just trying to about the money. At this point, I think I just paid it too. So, how would you survive that chaos? Think you can use all three phrases in a story that makes us laugh or cry? Drop your version in the comments below.
Look, I've made a fortune. I want to use it for some good. I need a lawyer to help me navigate. I like you. You get me. So, in or out?
I'm very sorry.
It's okay.
Well, that's a very big question. You know, I'm obviously going to have to go talk to my bull in a china shop. I'll be right back.
Sure. Talk it over. It's a major life decision.
Okay, let's move on to the quiz section. What does it mean if someone says you are like a bull in a china shop? You are being very careful. You are being very clumsy. You are moving very slowly. Nice. It means you are causing a mess or being awkward in a delicate situation. And that's how you can use this expression. Perfect for those clumsy, chaotic moments. I'm Fatima and I help you learn real English straight from TV shows. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. And a little sneak peek. Next time, we are heading to France for a phrase that's not only hilarious, but also super useful for real life. See you there!